The City of Bonita Springs continues to monitor information provided from the Department of Health while also taking proactive steps to help control potential exposure of coronavirus COVID-19. City of Bonita Springs preparation is underway with safety and health of our community as the first consideration. As of yesterday, the Department of Health indicated that there is a total of 160 cases in the state of Florida. According to an update from Lee Health yesterday, there are 4 presumptive positive COVID-19 patients in Lee County with 51 tests pending. This is a fluid situation with updates occurring frequently. We remain in close communication with federal, state, and regional officials. City staff is meeting with the Emergency Operations Center and Lee County staff regularly to align efforts across jurisdictions. The Emergency Operations Center is currently activated. The City of Bonita Springs has declared a local emergency. This will allow the city access to federal and state funding opportunities as they become available. We took that vote earlier this morning. This is a fluid situation with updates occurring frequently. Bonita Springs is working closely with the Bonita Springs Fire Control and Rescue District and the Lee County Sheriff's Office, and each agency is working to ensure public safety is always maintained, even if staffing levels are reduced significantly due to illness or quarantine. Health and safety information has been posted, and hand sanitizer is now available in all city buildings and workspaces. City staff are disinfecting shared common surfaces. Employee work-related travel has been limited only to essential travel. Sick employees, board members, and citizens are asked to remain at home and not attend public meetings to conduct city business. When possible, staff has been asked to conduct meetings via telephone or other technologies where it makes sense to reduce in-person meetings. COVID-19 resource information is posted on the city website at www.cityofbonitasprings.org. The upcoming March 18th City Council meeting has been canceled, and all non-essential city meetings are being postponed. Any meetings that are scheduled will be streamed live, and the public is encouraged to watch from home and participate in this meeting. They will have the ability to send in public comments for the record. Public comments can be emailed to citymeetings@cityofbonitasprings.org. For information about streaming live, visit www.cityofbonitasprings.org. Cable channels include Comcast Channel 98, Summit Broadband Cable Channel 96, Hotwire Channel 398, CenturyLink Prism TV Channel 87. Beginning Wednesday, March 18th, the Recreation Center and Community Pool will be closed to the public. Recreational programming and classes will also be canceled except for the child care program provided by the YMCA, the Neighborhood Services Facility located at the Lyles Hotel, and the Bonita Nature Place facility will also be closed to the public. City Hall will have limited access to the public. Drop boxes will be set up at each city facility for any documents that need to be dropped off during this time. The community is encouraged to call or email city staff. 239-949-6262 is the number at City Hall. These closures are scheduled until April 13th. We will continue to review city processes, policies, and procedures to reflect all current recommendations and best practices. Updates will be provided as information becomes available. Large events and mass gatherings can contribute to the spread of COVID-19 in the United States via travelers who attend these events and introduce the virus to new communities. Therefore, the CDC, in accordance with the guidance for large events and mass gatherings, recommends that for the next 8 weeks, organizers, whether groups or individuals, cancel or postpone in-person events that consist of 50 people or more throughout the United States. This recommendation is made to reduce the introduction of the virus into new communities and to slow the spread of infection in communities already affected by the virus. The City of Bonita Springs has postponed all special event permits for 30 days in the interest of preventing potential exposure to COVID-19. The situation will be assessed again as this 30-day period concludes. The city will offer refunds for event fees or canceled events. For events that are postponed, the city will also work closely with event organizers for future planning purposes. The city is also postponing upcoming city-organized events, Celebrate Bonita, Movies in the Park, and most recently, the Bonita Blues Festival. This is voluntary suspension of play by the City of Bonita Springs baseball and soccer leagues effective immediately. Neighborhood Services is also suspending rental inspections. During President Trump's address to the United States and the world yesterday, he outlined a plan to slow the spread of COVID-19 in 15 days. He recommended that large swaths of the population isolate themselves and everyone avoid social gatherings or groups of more than 10. Asking Americans to work from home if possible, avoid eating or drinking in bars and restaurants, and avoid discretionary travel, shopping trips, and social visits. The Surgeon General said that we are at a critical inflection point in the country and indicated that the United States has the opportunity to mitigate the pandemic. I know this is a difficult time for our community. I assure you that the City of Bonita Springs and our partners are working to do all that we can to prevent the spread of coronavirus, COVID-19. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones, most importantly. Now, I would like the Bonita Springs Fire Control and Rescue District Chief, Greg DeWitt, to provide an update from his point of view. Thank you, Chief, for being here.
No problem. Thank you, Mr. Mayor. The Bonita Springs Fire Control and Rescue District stands ready to assist and is diligently monitoring the updates. We will work closely with our community partners and inform you as information as soon as it has become available. We have entered a new phase of COVID-19. EMS and fire personnel operate under the most up-to-date guidelines, and the system operation is fluid. The Bonita Springs Fire Control and Rescue District is committed to this. We will be conducting employee screening at least twice a day when they become on to shift and as the day goes on. We continue to work and maintain a robust supply of our necessary items. Personal protective equipment is provided to all our responders. Resources available is being provided to all our staff and is posted on our website at bonitaspringsfire.org. We are conducting daily briefings when working closely with Lee County Operations Centers. Twice a day we are in contact with them. We have postponed several events to ensure the health and safety of our firefighters, civilian employees, and the community that we serve. The Bonita Springs will be suspending all use of the fire station community room, fire safety classes, and non-emergency activities. We will continue to monitor this situation for at least the next 30 days. Residents can dial 211 for more information. This is the United Way's information hotline. A mobile collection site to test for the coronavirus is open at a Lee Convenient Care facility near Page Field. Patients must have an order from their physician or primary care provider, and you need to make an appointment before showing up at this collection site. Patients who are experiencing symptoms and do not have a test order should call their primary care physician. This is not the only site that is in Southwest Florida. Naples Community Hospital also will be collecting samples. For Naples Community Hospital, you do not need to make an appointment, but you still need the doctor's note from your primary care physician. The Page Field Lee Convenient Care office is located at 4771 South Cleveland Avenue in Fort Myers. It is open from noon until 4 p.m., Monday through Friday. According to the CDC and the President, If you feel sick, please stay at home and contact your medical provider. The Florida Department of Health launched a new COVID-19 case dashboard. This is to keep Florida residents and visitors safe, informed, and aware of the status of this virus. The dashboard will be updated twice a day. You can visit their website at www.floridahealth.gov for any other questions related to the COVID-19 in Florida by calling 1-866-779-6121. We will continue to share the resources and the information as it becomes available to us, and we will provide it to you, the public. We remain committed to the health and safety of you and your family and the visitors of Bonita Springs. At this time, thank you. I'll turn it back over to Mayor Simmons.
Great. Thank you, Chief. And the Lee County Sheriff's Office, Lieutenant Baglioli, to share a few words.
We at the Lee County Sheriff's Office continue to work and coordinate with the EOC and our counterparts at the Fire Department and the City of Bonita Springs to monitor the situation. Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen. And City of Bonita Springs realize that this is a fluid situation. We are on top of everything. We will get the information out to you as quickly as possible. Please look back on the website, cityofbonitasprings.org, for updates, and we will also be sending messages out via social media and Bonita Springs TV 98. So continue to look for updates. Be safe, be safe, be safe. We love you, Bonita Springs. God bless.